No! Hey guys, it's Kennedy, and yes, oh my gosh, yes, I dropped another video in the same week.
Oh my goodness.
I know, mind-blowing. But for today's video, as you can read from the title, we're going to be doing a hair tutorial thing. And I asked some of my friends on Instagram if like what YouTube videos would you guys like to see, like if I were to drop, like what videos would you want me to drop so you could watch it. And they told me a bunch of like hair tutorials and stuff, and I was like, I did not expect that. So we're gonna do some hair tutorials. So what we're gonna do is actually for this hair tutorial, I've never done this before, like ever. Oh wait, for this hair tutorial I've actually done this before, but it like did not work. Honestly, I feel like it's because I was really rushed and stuff. But we're gonna try it again today and see how that works. I really hope it works though. I think we're gonna use this clip. I couldn't find the little clips I was talking about. I don't know how to explain what they look like. I don't know, but I got them a long time ago and I don't know where they are. But when I was out searching, I found these fancy little rubber bands, and I used to wear these all the time when I was little. So first thing is, I don't know if it's really a product, no, not really, but I'll just tell you the materials I got. Then we got this spray bottle full of just like, it was really cold water, but now it's like room temperature, a bunch of rubber bands, a little broken edge brush, a comb, my fancy little kentacion comb. I don't know if they still have these, but I use this brush that like slicks my hair back really good. This is Shea Moisture 100% pure argan oil. So, oh, use whatever oil you want to. I just want to use the argan oil because it like gets in my scalp. And jojoba oil, which I used last video. The Jamaican black castor oil, strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. Last but not least, and I'm really excited to use this because I've only used it once, but I didn't really get to use it to where, like, you know, I could see like how it actually works, if that makes sense. I use this for my box braids though, and this is the cherry scent, which I was really happy. I don't know if this is pomade or not, but my mom bought me the edge booster, and it's like the Style Factor edge booster, and it's in cherry scent, and it actually smells pretty good. And it says the hold power is at 5. Oh, we're just gonna see if, you know, they really got game like that, because I don't know. So the style that I'm going to be doing, I'm put a picture right here. I've done the style before, but it didn't really work for me because I guess, I don't know, it just didn't work. I don't know if I did it wrong, had too much hair in certain areas. I don't know. It sounded really bad. But we're just going to try it out again for YouTube. So let's get on to the video. So basically, I'm just gonna take out my little French braids that I have my hair in, because usually when I'm done, like, you know, I brushed out the little what's it called, you know, the little braid out that I did in that other video. I brushed that out, and I brushed that out like 2 days later, I guess, because, you know, I'm always wanting to play in my hair and stuff. So I hope you guys can see me in the frame. I brushed it out, and I put oil, a bunch of oil in my hair because my hair was feeling kind of dry, and I put these in 2 like little big French braids, seeing if my hair looks okay. I like to do, because this style involves like a top knot, I like to do those in sections because I can't just slick my thick hair up and just into one bun. I don't know why I can't do it. Probably because my hair's so uneven. But we're just gonna part it and put like water on it so it's like drenched, not too drenched though. And then we're gonna put in the leave-in conditioner. I'm acting so foreign, probably because I haven't done my hair in like 2 months. But yeah, so let's do the back side first. Then get the back out, and we're going to get the water. And we're just gonna spray it. Please don't. I think my hair is drenched in the water now, guys. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of my leave-in conditioner, just a little bit, and I'm going to just run that all through my hair. Here, I think I got an even amount all through the bottom of my hair, and it's nice and wet. So basically what we can do now, what we're going to do, I'm gonna oil the middle of my head. So because my hair is in a parts, since you know it's half up half down right now, I'm gonna get my argan oil and just put it all in the middle. What we're gonna do now is we're going to use the consistency is kind of sticky, but I can tell it's that way for like cold purposes. So now we're just going to get some of it. You see this on my fingers? I don't know if you guys can see this because it won't focus, but we're gonna put this, we're gonna apply it going up. So we're gonna get it, and just a little bit, you don't need too much, and just apply it going up, if I'm making sense. Hopefully I am. And when you feel like you have enough gel, then get your brush and then just like start brushing your hair up. Make sure your hair is smooth, no bumps and none of that. Black little elastic, and we're gonna tie it up. Make sure it goes to like the middle of your head, unless you want like a top nut, so it's like nut. I wasn't being inappropriate. Anyways, don't think I forgot, but for the top nut, for the little swoop part in the middle of your forehead, more of like a middle part, and I just circle it like that. Make sure it's not too big though, unless you want to slick all that hair down. But I knowing me, like my hair is, you know, fairly thick, so I don't want to slick like a huge piece of hair down because I know it's gonna like be so much work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it and we're going to just tie it away so it doesn't interfere with what we're doing. Okay. Is it tied? It's tied away. Hide away. I'm wide awake. So here's this other piece of hair, and we're basically, with this other part of hair, we're basically gonna do what we did for the back onto the front. And if it gets loose in the back, you can, since it's already tamed and going up, you could take it out and just get one big rubber band and just do it all together, which is what I might do. But I'm just gonna fast forward this part or edit it. I don't know how I want to do it when I'm editing. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I did in the back. Oh, I can actually slick my hair up. Not technically, since I used the section method, which I feel like is better than trying to force all of your hair at one time into a ponytail. Well, if you got hair like me, like thick, you know, curly hair. Okay, I think it's nice and slicked. This thick little rubber band, black rubber band. You guys can leave it in a puff, or you can make it like with the top knot look, the ninja bun looking thing. But I'm just gonna keep it in like a puff, I guess. We're gonna get that piece of hair and we're just gonna wet it. Just all up in my face. Now what we can do now is we get the gel, and then we just apply it. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe apply it going down like that. We're just gonna brush it, the gel, this part, we're gonna brush it going down. So it's like, make sure it's in a swoop though. This is the part I was waiting for. Yay, I did it. It's up to you, but what I'm gonna do, because it looks kind of bad since I'm really messed up on that swoop, you can do your edges. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to do my edges. So basically, yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe, you know, just cause. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video though, and I hope that I don't seem boring. And so yeah. So peace out and have a good day.
Consequences heavy, are you